What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can cancel or end your Dropbox subscription on your phone. So let's get started. Now once you open your Dropbox app, you will be on your home screen right here. So to cancel your subscription, go over to the account tab right here, and from here you would need to click on your plan right here, right under your email. Now here you will see some specifications about your plan, so from here just go ahead and click how to cancel right here. Now here is again a quick overview of your plan. Now if you have some important information on your Dropbox account, just be sure to back it up somewhere else. So I have a simple plan, so I will just go ahead and click leave simple right here. Now that will lead you to your Manage Subscriptions tab, and here you can cancel your subscription. So you can just go ahead and click Cancel Subscription right here. Now you can just select whichever one of these suits you, so I will just select Decline to Answer and click Continue. And there we go. So my subscription will be cancelled at this date and I won't be charged anymore. So finally just go ahead and click Cancel Subscription right here. And there we go. So now your subscription is cancelled, but you can still use your plan until the date that is shown right here. And that's guys how you can cancel your Dropbox subscription on mobile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.